MSRD की recommendation matungina President na Professor A.P. Pandey bu Manipur University की Vice Chancellor की famdagi longkok ki khongthang bu Manipur University community na taram na ukray. Prime Minister Modi na luchingmal India lengang malaibaga sige democracy, secularism amadi constitution da sauna singa bakiri have wapu the yupa moiraga thabu mamachum na chathaga da CPI ki mass campaign hawdokray. The status is self to me people make Pagalak State Institute of Journalism, the Matokaba course, Singamate, stops in Hapsiduna University, the Tak Pukat, Haji Tazaba, IPR Minister P.S. Bishwaj for Art and Culture Department, the Makada Manipur State Archives, the Sindhu Manipur Suba Archives Week Celebration, Art and Culture Minister L. James Kumarangasi, in Fal GM Hold Hodokray. Boston na lobo HSLC gi ngarang pangtok kita examination thaba yawba mahiro inipi masa ma mahak na tari Praza High School Center da exam do bi sin mila ko miyo sin ti han badagi 130 na Rims Hospital da like na kray ma makurum zariya dom yeng bribs impact news ni hauzi pungza si pawmi maroi pausing miyam de pijari Professor A.P. Pandey Human Resource Development Ministry की recommendation matung ina President na Manipur University के Vice Chancellor post की लोग थोकी बगी wafam bu Manipur University की community na taram na okray Professor A.P. Pandey bu Vice Chancellor from the Loktoki Base University as the Lady Amotpa Loktoki Kongkang Amane Makatana University as the Hiana Paba University Ama Ohen and Kongjang Sanction Kigan Hana Manipur University Teachers Association Mutagi General Secretary Professor Lisam Sanju Kumar Tamlakli Nakalamramda Professor A.P. Pandey Manipur University Vice Chancellor from the Loktoki Base Marilena Manipur University Teachers Association Manipur University Staff Association Amadi Manipur University Students Union Yoiba Emergency Mipamama Manipur University Complex to Level Mutagi Office ta Pangthokray Mipamaduna Amot Panatalaba Professor A.P. Pandey Manipur University Vice Chancellor Famdagi Lautoki Bada Nungai Fongdoki Loinana Manipur University Community Yamna Chauba Kongjang Aduda Mateng Pangbi Kiba Lamdamasiga Civil Society Organization Maira Paibi Mahiroi Loop Manipur Governor Manipur High Court State Government the Human Resource Development Ministry bu thagat pasu fongdorakli
nui ta ba ngamoi kholoi kaina khoi da thidin trok pa khot pa ri hai ba koi puning da handan ngai oi ba masai am harat admaina politically am connected oi ba am influential oi ba mi amabu koi Manipur University gi magi mot pa agi magi maran gi tan thop ngam ba se morom de am ngai sakthong ngai bo Pandi bu tan thoi ba maram si koi Manipur University am mo le sengdok ke na tau hi bani Pandi bu tan thok pa hai ba se masi step amane se ma yam watli Pandi tan thok re masina koi Manipur University sengdok pa si loidri mathang am tau gini hai tar Manipur University se masida khar mo level lai ri ba singa se koi yaringai sengdoga academic ta yamna phasna chathaba aduma institute ama oina ba na mutagi tagi sat organization adugi pandam ne
Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba India lengaga sinalewaga sige democracy secularism amadi constitution da chauna singnaba piri haba wafamda yumpam oiduna thabu mamachum na chathagada CPI ki mass campaign ngasi hawdokray Iravat Bhavan na pangthok ki bathoram da CPI Manipur State Council ki State Secretary L Sotin Kumana Prime Minister Narendra Modi na luchingba ani suba lengak chubli asi Hanadagi Hena Tamtiva Machata Changsilakli, Tabu Mamachumna, Esterasi Tampaki Assembly segment Kudimaka Chatagadur campaigners Manung Chana, Lavaga City Citizenship Amendment Egg Loto have Wafamas and Maru Pirep Oigani, India Langagasi, Lakpadagi, Levak Miam Pumba, Sarang Naba. Helen Matanatana, Purumasel Gimarakta, Nungsinahan the Bagimachak, Ama Oereklibas, Mayokta, Sauna Tingna the Bayadi have a wafam Pongdoki. Makuta Lengak Chubli Pai having Matagum, Makogi Mayok Yo sanction Bamadi, Yaning the Fongdok Lubasing Matakami Pun Satabagi, Tabag, Tawong Singasi, Awang Matak the CPI, Yaning the Hanasu, Magna Makataraki.
Pandey Lokokadavani Habise, Master Elika the Saruyaki. Simangani, Mahakpu, Aroiba Bishara Magaloina, Narang, Adugumba Mahak dismissed Tore, having a pump Silak Matamda, Mahanakari High, Agi Randite, Adubu. Communist Party na amadi यूनिवर्सिटी की कांबू सिंह मंगोंद अरानब सिन्नरकांदा मागी मथक्ता अदुम एक्शन कया लौननब से हाइदने कोई पार्टी द मरान पीखिब मदु महाक लौथोनब थेंगनरुबदुगी मदुगुम चाउर मही अमनेना कोई खल्ली महाक एलिगेशन अदु मरम साथे अदुना ngasidi campaign asi hongdokpagi roinana khwaidagi adum maikhoi pukhatjaba thengnajaba struggle gi chauraba mai pakpa ma madugi numit amani su hain panjari bani
स्टेटस की सेल धुम की फिबम हेक फगलक पद लेंगा के मत ngai raba moirang khum gi DIPR complex manung de leiriba State Institute of Journalism SIJ gi mathau tab staff sing haptuna university dagi recognition loduna makha tab course sing hangduna anoba journalist ka puthoki kani haina IPR minister TS Bishwajana phongdorakli wafam sing asi sanjan thung de leba minister gi quarter de pangthoki ba pawmi sing unaba mada impact news na institute asi recognition fangdan leiriba si gi matang da hangba wahang da Information and Public Relations Minister na Fongdor Kibanei. Biswajana Makatana High Institute of Kumjala Singani Tarataret ki August Nipanda, Isteresida Anoba Mating Labor Journalist Ka Putong Nabigi Pandamda, Sahiyamagi Diploma Course Amagalona Hangdo Kibane, Sahiyamagi Course Hang Matam the University Amagi Recognition Chang Labasu, Institute of Siki Oina the Recognition Low Matamda Matotaba criteria sing adu suba ngamdabagi funkide recognition fangdabasina madam oirga sahi amagi course asi leptuna attenba course sing hangdun housing class sathari adubu salliba anoba sahi asida lenga ki sentum gi phibam hek fagalagade matotaba teaching amade non teaching staff sing half kani loina institute amagi semgat pham thokpa infrastructure sing shu semgat tuna miyam sinagani have wafam thamlaki
budget ki kari kari akhoi na tai cha da khot bal rek pasina maram munani em biro akhoi ngachi mo puthoi bo posi ju deficit budget ne habi ki pochi me amna express taw lo he honorable CM or anybody adunu akhoi shortfall sarkar gi makai dadi leiti habadi leiti ai dum accept tawi lei taw da akhoi nang pangthok pangam da bu once it has been started natra so we have to continue obviously adu continue taw tamni will continue aduna akhoi kitang hojiki fund constraint oiba aduga akhoi tawum thokpa taw bangam da sina akhoi
Nakalamramda Maya Lambiki Wangoi the Tiam Lesang Kung Fauda Marilena Department of the company Ayaba Yaudana subcontractor Kadar unauthorized among the quality Yaudana Kolas Tarambadu Matang the impact news Tahang Wangda works Kitausu Puriba Minister Bishwaj and Makatana High Housing Secretary Assembly Mipamas Hek Loibaga quality Yaudana Tabak Sui Haribama Maduda Minister Masamak Satuna Yangshin Gane Magna Yangshin Madu the Karigumba Tabaga the quality Yaudana Surama talk about the Marilena Bamu is saying the Chaps have action Lokotkani Fongdoraki Manipur Housing Lambi Sembagi Tabak Pai Company Agency Amadi Department Mihut Sing Yawa Apun Mami Pamamasu February Kunipan Gimatung the Soy than a Pangtokane Suri Batabak Sing say quality Yauna Madi Atu Matam the Lucian and Kangalagani Hana Minister Namakata Fungoraki.
I assembly loibang ibani after 28 take it before auction festival acting I said kani other lana torome halani lana toromdre hantau daba mina chumna torome haka unauthorized or fadana toromadi migi pabado dum legislation because manam de koina whether man report torome toromdre hai ponatna koina check tawom de kalaidina check tawom matam de na tai cha da report di chadana dum lerang wane chadana lerang pot mana mantra sakola kana cha hai bi amunte ba adar dum hanjanu kadoroge masagi self style torome self style dum mangjera sanu kad
Nifusuba Archives Week celebration ngasi hono matung ina Art and Culture Minister L. Kumana Gandhi Memorial Hall Hodokrai Manipulenga ke Art and Culture Department ke Manipur State Archives nistin pangtok ke betorum da Art and Culture Commissioner M. Zoy Art and Culture ke Director N.G. Utama madi Manipur ke tongan CSO singil luching sing nasaruk yaki Thaurmad kumari lerena Minister Kumana pangtok ke bada lebak amabu horokliba mirol da masatakpa matamda archives madi museum masi asuki matik mathautai Manipur ke wena archives na Manipur ke history bungak senu thambada achoba mateng oiri adubu asuk maru oikraba mafam ase status ki sel thumi phibam phatte haiduna sahi ki budget ase yamna pikna pirak namaram oiraga tawning bathaba kya pangtok pangamdana leidi fongdoraki
when the proposed budgetary provisions is totally was last time the madu by to ki kanam to waro lobdi ate on chief minister waro bi ate waro bi ate manam state la yamna acute financial constraint but legal man to but adu because arts and culture is something masay ko na line na lobe ya to kit in have say mayam da ko sila lay ko karasi arts and culture na uche ko department lay ko sila ko karasi to ko na manipulate yung dipong ko mo na arts and culture is much importance mo significance mayam na ako ni mas message din ako ni मदौ तो हाइबे
Bossem Loba SSL seeking arang pangtoki ba examination thaba yawba Remnant Christian School gi Mairo Inupi Masa Magna Tarib Center Praza High School da exam of Yingsin Bilako Miois in the Kihan Badagi one Taraktuna Rims Hospital da like a nakray Taudoka Matang the Mairo Inupi Masa Sigi Munungi Miois in Impact News the Fondorpada Ngarang Pangtoki ba examination to Hek Haubaga exam of Yingsin Bilakpa Mioi Karana admit card Kamasakamana they had on Nupi Masa the Wumapan the Kotola Kihan Kanganki examination how crobama tung pung ama makhairum exam thahandan mapanda level laga thamki tungda nupi masado wan tharakputagi housing for gyan ta duna rims hospital da laikana duna leiri hana fongdorakli nupi masa sigi imung manungna ngarang thoki bathaudoga silaibakti bathaudoga mane mahiro yama buchingnai haiduna kihallaga exam manung da wahong pong tawasi yaning de fongdorakpaga loinana thaudoga sigi matangda mari lena singa yengshin bio haiba wapun su thamlakli thaudoga sigi matangda court amasung board su siya thakre hadi
Mangarang exam 10 gi thabasida maje hujiki board sina maje emika se paigraga maje ma thariba maje candidate se manate atopa muhusilaga thabani khopane na maje puthoaga angjida nang mahusila thanbagi nang je jenda thamni khotne na angang je thetan toba khopado khoi yam nungai jade angang je hujik gyan ta dana hujik leire ngarang khalakpane ba maje hujik tension ji am wang khakhidana hujik se gyan ta dana maje amuka pi mami amu pangi amu ngarang ikai ba nangi bado adui mata ai nungdi yam nungai jade wa khanje
maje mahu tharama me khalagazu mado phabiyo ba kaisu kaide ba koi icha ina oiragazu khoi support tawgiba moina tawribadda aduga moina phasana proof to leitabida maina tawbodumakti tawhanjaring de aduna atopa angang singdazu maina tawribase migi career sokpa sirage bokta ma lai atem tawduna halaktana tawire aduna adungba soibado moidi akhoi mapi mapani aduna phasana yingjalaba matungda
Churachandpur district ki Salem Bengaleba EL Sesim High School gi Mairoi Nipan Houses Bossem Loduna Chatriba High School living certificate SSLC examination assassin admit card Pyram Badagingasi exam Than Kidre Taudosi Matanga Mairo Singer Cinema Tokaram assassin admit card Singasi Pyram Libano Hina School Managing Board Tijil Lubada EL Sesim High School gi Headmaster M. Ranjan Mahiro Singh Asigi examination Than Nabagi registration form Sing Matam Chana Board of Secondary Education Manipur Bosimda Thazanba Ngamho Dabani Hari Donana Headmaster M. Ranjana Sasina admit card Sing Asi issue Tobani Hab Kang Ngamle Mahiro Singi Punsi Mang Boyab Tawang Asigitamag M. Ranjan Tabaki Lautok Dabani Hari. Oza Singhi revision of pay ROP 2019 rectification tau habiki waka the Council of Teachers Association quota gi miyang bakada ngasisu Bishnupur gi GDO office mamang Oza Singh wakan mifam chathakrai wakan mifam adu ngasu pung taramatorum tarak padagi sathaba hauki wakan mifam adu gamari lenana quota gi convener CH Santa Kumar Fongdor kibada wakan mifam si quota gi miyang makada Oza Singhi revision of pay ROP 2019 rectification tau haiduna chingam sung tamgi mafam singda satharak padu gi taratare suba khongthang ne lengang na hauzik kota na taliba democratic web mong da changsil liba khongjang sing asi tasin adu na laiselaba targade makata na khuthang chara henba mass court arrest amadi manipur pumba shutdown tawna chingba khongjang sing mathang mathang sanction na basem sare habu wafam thamlaki
सरकारगी थबक तौरिबा मेचिनरी अमदी एम्प्लॉय खुदिमक तोलोब सिलोय हेंगनबा ngaतने अदुबु ओजासिंगी मफमददी सही तरा तरा लेरगा पे अममलाकु मतमसिदा ओजासिंगी हंदबा ग्रेड थाक्ता पीबी बाइबसी यामना नुंगाइतबा अमनी अमदी सरकारना ओजासिंगी मफमदे येंगबा मियंगसे अदुगे मति थमोय सोई
अदो कोई सिदिन प्रोटेस्ट से लोरबा मतुंगदा कोई रिले हंगर स्ट्राइक की खुंजंग चिंगसिलनि अदुबु हारिबा रिले हंगर स्ट्राइक तरबो मतम फावदागा मेना कोदिन वायलेशन तौरक्त्रबा अदु अरगदे कोई मास कोर्ट अरेस्ट अरगा फास्ट अनटू डेट की खुंजंग चिंगसनगनि करिगुंबा फास्ट अनटू डेट की खुंजंग चिंगसलबो भावदा गवर्नमेंट सिना अखोय गवारी सानबा अमदे नेगोशिएशन टेबल लागद्रगदी मणिपुर पुंबगी शटडाउन पाउ
Directorate of Education AS Government of Manipur Sindhu Pangthokiba Class 9 Sumtian gi Oibes State Level National Talent Search Examination 2019 amadi Class 8 ki National Means Merit Scholarship Examination 2019 ki result department ki website ki khangba yagani hana serol amada khanghalakli loinana National Talent Search Examination 2019 stage 2 lakli me tara da pangthok lagan hana su serol asna makatarakli Imphal Jiri Rail Lambi ki sarukama oina Marang Singda Sagat Kiba Tunnel number 4 ngasi Railways Board ki chairman VK Yadapna sanga akre Rail Lambi asigi Tupul Imphal section ki tunnel singsu athu matamna sem sabak thabak losilab yana laire hana VK Yadapna fongdokre hiram asida Impact News ki reporter Asi Mangangsha amasung camera person Irom Mocha anidagi paudamama
Tengkang kayada lochengani haina panaramba Jiribam to Imphal Railways gi adum laba tunnel number 3 gi saruktani ngasi khoina lejariba asi hairiba tunnel asi karamna hoji karamba phibam da lairiba ge haibaju miyamna yamina si tunnel number 3 gi asang ba si 1.2 km oiri hairiba tunnel asi hoji phabu gi oina final lining gi thabak yamna kana sathaba galoina na athuba matamda hairiba final lining gi thabak asi losilaklaga track phawo tharpa yabugi oithokpa amadi lairi masiga loina na Hariba tunnel asiki hek mayuk na badal laiba tunnel number 4 asiju losilaktuna ngasi hariba sumlaba tunnel asi railway board ki chairman BK Yadav amasung North East Frontier Railways ki general manager Sanjip Royna sangaduna miyamda khosinakre
So basically, I came here to just review the progress of this work, and this work is progressing very well. As you see that this tunnel has been completed. So we are going to complete this work by March 22. And the only critical item is that long tunnel. We will have to make more than 10 kilometer long tunnel. So work is going on. Rest of the things, almost all work are progressing very well. So we want to expedite this work so that we can connect Imphal through railway. The bridge will be completed before the tunnel. Tunnel is the most critical.
Jiribamdagina Phal Pawda Ladiba Adumlaba railway tunnel sing asiki manungda khwaidagi khudung thi haina panariba adumlaba tunnel number 12 sing asikatang ngaire khutkadabasi ayamba Imphal Tupul section da ladiba tunnel sing losilakpaga loina final lining gi thabak kana chathari adubu hariba tunnel number 12 asidi yamna khudung thiningai oiba habidi methel gas kumba thokpa mahawlang pok tholokpa gumba yamna khudung chadaba ama mayoknaba maram oraga haji pawgi losenba gamda lairi loina na hariba tunnel number 12 asi notice ki oina khwaidagi Hangba Adumlaba tunnel amu oigani hainasu akhangai singna phongdoknaba lairi loinana tunnel number 12 asigi asangba sina saurakna kilometer 10 thoi phawbugi bayada oigani haina panari.
We have targeted to complete by the March 22. Luckily, so far we have not have any casualty in making these tunnels. And in the longest tunnel, there are so many problems of methane gas encountering, so much of water ingress. These are the difficulties that we are facing here.
Jiribamdagi Imphal Phawda Ladiba tunnel masing gi manungda Jiribam to Tupul jina punna tunnel kuntraga mapal aduga Tupul to Imphal Phawda Ladiba tunnel sina somnagi tunnel masing Nepal khatani tunnel masing sing asigi manungda tunnel number 12 natana ayambadi Imphal to Tupul section da lochen khre aduga Jiribamdagi na Tupul Phawda Ladiba tunnel sing di lochen khiduna miyamda kusina khre Marang Ching village da ladiba adumlaba tunnel number 4 ngasi railway board ki chairman BK Yadavna sangaduna miyamda khosina khre masiga loinana Imphal to Tupul da ladiba tunnel singi manungda tunnel number 12 kilometer taraga ni thoirum chalba sungloba tunnel number 12 asinatna ayamba tunnel di semba losilapaga loinana hoji final gi stage da lady lemhoriba tunnel number 12 jauna atai tunnel singasi karam kada losalaga manpu miyamna train tongduna Atopa India ki mafam singa samnaba ngamnagade habidi ngaiminaba tari marakasida Manipur ki chief minister nongthoba birenesu handakta Manipur da railway ki lambi asi lakadurba sahi 2022 ki March phabugi munumda jarok lagani habigi thajaba pongdokpa laikhrabani chief minister na thajaba thamkhriba asi karam makanda othokadage hariba mahana thamkhiba sahi adumakta hariba thabakasi losama ngangudurba habidi Manipur miyamna ngaiminaba tari Impact News ki tamak camera person Irom Bosaga Loinana, Pogdom Jariba, Arshimangangsa, Marang Singh.
India the Ladiba Medical Institution Singi Marakta RIMS Makok Thongba Institute Oiner Nabagidamag Research Katabu Itangai for the Lay Haina, RIMS ki Director Professor A. Shantan Fongdokre, Wapamasingasi RIMS ki Medical Society ki Tarasuba Conference, Misokon 2020 ki Toromda Director Shantan Tamkibani. RIMS ki Jubilee Hall the Pangtokiba Conference adu Cancer Challenges and Ahead Habitimda Yumpam Oiduna Pangtokibani conference adu mari lenena presentation pibada makong mathang taraba institute asigi PG mahiro isingda mana piduna pungning thawgatki ngasigi thormuda medica society ki journal amade misokon 2020 ki souvenirs fongki.
For ranking all India, I think research is a very, very important component of the medical institute. So all India institute, and then next the PGI is the highest, and next must be followed by GMR. So remaining other institutes are very, very far lacking. But in the northeast, we have RIMS happen to be the one of them best now, and our ranking is on top in the northeast as well as eastern zone now. So, but then we have to go very, very far ahead now, and we have to compete with them. So ranking is very, very important, particularly in number of the publication and the research work what we are doing. So I hope that medical society as well as our medical education unit to organize the more of research methodology for the young faculty as well as for junior resident and senior resident.
Planning department is sponsored to the Thani Chum Chatharakpa idea stage startup ki hanba madi anisuba batch ki training ngasi mapung fana lotion kray Lampel Patleb Institute of Code Operative Management ki conference ole pangtho ki bthoram du mari lenena planning department ki director Dr. TH Munindrona phongdo ki bada lamdamasi ki larik lai suning thina tamluraba matungda masagi oiba haitoi singthoiba naha kya leiriba sing asida masana masabu thabuk Pijahanbaga loinana atopa mioi singna thabak piba ngamna na bahaduna hauzik leiriba lengang na paikhatpa startup scheme haukre scheme asigi manung channa idea stage ki dama khangalaba mioi singda planning department makal makha kya training piri training asigi matengna lamdam asigi na singda anoba mayona mapiduna makoina sanction gadaruba thabak singda mateng ohengani haba wapun thamlaki
अखोई खल्लबसिंग अखोई ट्रेनिंग मा तोहनगने करिगी ट्रेनिंग तोहलेनो हारगदी पैसा कमाई सिजिनानी अदुगी नंगी फील्ड दना नंग क्रमाय तौना आइडिया सि क्रिएट तौगदगे हाबेसि इंस्टीट्यूट अनिदा मणिपुर इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज अमसुंग ICM सिदा अखोइना स्पॉन्सर तौरगा मखोइदा इगी संगदा पैसा जे अखोइ लोइ पीबनी माना आइडिया जु लेरगसु खरन इलाबोरेट तौदना नमागी अकाउंट नु कमाई मेंटेन तौनी माना पोसु लेरुदुनी माना पोतु मु योंदुनी हाइरबा मयाम सिंगसिगी बेसिक नॉलेज है पीरबा मतुंगा मखोइ ट्रेनिंग सि अटेंडेंस मपुंग फाना यावरे रगिदि मखोइ कोर्स यावरे हाइरबा मतम सिदा अखोइना गमेना सब्सिडी से पी
Manipur ke chingi lam ayamada poppy pambi thadur sel taliba si thingna narbamadi masigi mahuta cannabis cultivation legalized tawnu na balagna honorakliba sida Manipur Democratic Alliance ki maikai digi taram na opwa from pongdorakli babu prada paumi singa unabam the chief sana Manipur state unit ki president suwariba MDA ki convener M Tombi na pongdorakpada cannabis legalized tauba ngamlabade singda poppy plantation tawduna hingliba lawmi singda atopa sinphama pibata natana makhoigi sel thumgi phibamda chaun kana piba ngamgane masina chingtam thong manana chawkhalhan ngamna na bahona bada achobu mating oigani hana phongdoki Paumi Singa Unaba Sargyakiva MDA gi members Uwariba People's Democratic Alliance PDA gi President L Setna Fongdorapada Manipur gi Chingi constituency Singasi area Yamna Chaubana MLA gi local area development fund developmental works in Paikatpada Selgi Kudong Chadabaka Mayok Nare Tampak Lamdam ga Yengnabada Chingi constituency Singasi Yamna Sotare Maramaduna Chingi constituency Singda development work Paikatpada Mating Winner additional fund PBU and Apple Taurakli
नोमुगी संग्रह याद्रो पोलम पुनमक्तु फंगननबगिदमक्ता पॉपी पांबी थारिबसे महूट सिल्लगा सेंदाल लंबी एमा स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ना पीबगी वखललोंदा ngरang assembly da house ki leader honorable chief minister na cannabis aduga khoigi ganja si legalization taununaba miyamgi corporation ni buga loinana legalize taununaba honore iba sikumba honorable chief minister ki wakhalon meng step se Manipur Democratic Alliance na khoi support tawe
Jambak sidadi MLA singi local area development fund si chahi khuting gi lakpani na leirak makhai si na khoi black top tu ekhoi ching dadi gram do bra heraka earth cutting phobongam de MLA sing na sijin na ribasi sum yeng bakanda asiana da donation da yam chale jingmi athap pan ba sing leiba sing sidi imphal hai ba sida normal phawa suklak lak da ni siki ba yam yo
Senapati district Nation Aimgi Kadarama Kuntramari Subasam Rifles Kangbu and Faki Mayok Satakiba shut down Handokre. Impact News the Pama Pow the Nation Aimgi Kadarni Haidiba Misakadu Numu Matung Pungama Makaita Matamna Tador Pagi shut down Adu Handoki Benari shut down Handoki Bagaluna National Highway number 2 in Faldama Pulami the Panduna Lermagari sing Satok Jacinto Yakre District Adshigi Maru Bamapam sing the Dukan sing Hangduna Lamidami Satok Jacinto Hobagaluna Mausagi Punsida Hanjan Cray. Matanga Swada, break a Malozage, break a Matunda, Malem Pumba Pangtok Nabu, Manipur World Thinking Day Toram Pangtok Kibuki Pau Amade, Manipurum Sumalim Tongan E Pau Sing Pudu Lachage, Impact News, Migeng Tatun Lebu. Breaking Matuk the Mayam Taram no Cherium, the bulletin is Makata, Pausing, Miam the Pijari. Malim Pumbada World Thinking Day Pangtonabu, Manipur State Varad Scouts and Guides, MSBS Zina Sinduna, Langol Gambilis Zone 1, the Labour State Training Center, the Pangtokray, Toromadu Marilena, Manipur State Varad Scouts and Guides Ki, State Secretary T.H. Heramanina High, Diversity, Equity and Inclusion Habitimda, and the World Thinking Day Toromasi Pangtokpane, Malim the Lady Nupi Masa Singa Sida, Satariba Crime Singasi, Nupa Masa Singna. Nupi Masa Sing Mayok Nabang Namna Pandam the Pangtokpane, Nupi Masa Singi, Piva Masi Karado or Episode Fagal Handuna Amasung Nupi Masa Sing Asida, Saf Mana Miang Yang Gaman Naba, Hotnavani Fondoraki. Toroma to the Moirang Assembly Constituency, MLA Amasung, Manipur State Varad Scouts and Guides President Suwediba P. Sarachandra, State Chief Commissioner T.H. Ibobi Saksu, Sarbyaki.
Koigi Manipur State Bharat Scouts and Guides ki wene de koi 2007 dagi World Thinking Day si pangthokpa hawi World Association of Girls Association and Girl Guide na koigi prithibi da lairiba guide World Thinking Day si nupi macha singi da priority piraga pangthokpa thoramni masida koigi nupi macha singi phebam phaganaba koigi like lasu skill development singba mokoigi intellectual gi idea me anji phaganaba nupi macha sing sathariba crime sing masigi mayok naba ngamna rubi theme da koi maruena World Thinking Day si koi sahi khunigi leptar pangthoi guide yauri ba nupi macha sing si koi tongan ba lebak chindagi sakchu manada background manada magi skill manada ba color manada tongan ba mayam sina punsil laga koi manada ba yansir punsil laga da amatta oina koi gi prithvi da nupi macha singi phebam phagana benga ta weksi lamjing makhada kholaw si launa na bagi damakta koi kumsi sahi gi World Thinking Day gi theme asi
Manipur ki khwaidagi leaderba regional party ama wodiba Manipur People's Party ki office manungda matam kakta curfew tham lehena Kanglaipak Communist Party People's War Group na fongdorakli lona thinkraba lalo globasina tokpa chero lamada MPP manungda hausik leiriba pham pining bagi yatna riba lalung singa se khudak taki lep kadabane made MPP ke sel thum kaithokpam sung khomjin ba khudingmak athing ba thamle anawa miro lamagi damak athu matamda election tawduna president amadi thaupu sing khan gadabane hanasu makatarakli Manipur Government School Fagalan Mission ki Makhada Mahiro Elatable School Sing Punsin Bada Imphal West ki Lyrenjam Primary School di Yahon Migan Wahana School si headmistress amadi School Management Committee ki Maikay di Lenga ki Pungning Singsilakli Hiramasig Matang the school si Fagatna na basahi Taramapalom Honaduna Lakpa ki damag Global Teachers Award 2019 so Fanga Krabi School si headmistress Lyrenjam Tarubi Devi na Paumi Sing the Fongdor ki Bada School si Hose class 5 forward chalai duna Mahiro ki Aningtin Takpi Tambiri Government School and Education Department appeared guidelines Kudingmag School Sina Kaihandana Pangtokli Lonana School Sida Tamliba Mairoi Ayamba Laikayasigi Manimumang the Laiba Laita Laira Gisaitiang Nanglaba Imungi Masama so Singtana Ayambane Maramaduna Mairo Singi Yang Biduna School Amalgamation Tobada Lyrenjam Primary School Si Yahon Mikanohana Marilena Singi Punging Chingshilakli
Angang Chak Tongo the Tongo the Habuda Macham and Mamma the Ima Chakagi Harakumatam. I know Pijag and a Torang Toraga, the whole have information on my lap pasta. Had to give it Hawaii no idea.
Jose Kono, Jose Pamsabsi, Legend Primary Skunda, Education Minister, Say Minister, Hey Marilena, to me Punamak Mapanjira Lapra, anytime surprise Brazil or Jadum Tobiro, I call Maduda, Karim Tassinable late. I call Angang using like Taposi, was asking Satin and Ningane, Chumbatian Salaba Posi, Hanna Tolive and I couldn't write about Pause, Masiko Binabinota, Sargagi pulling the citizens again.
Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank ta yetna bakradagi matam sangna board members sing lairak tabana mara moiraga bank ase mutkiba yabagi akiba laire hana bank ase shareholder Maibam Sunil na fongdorkli Manipur Press Club ta Paumi Singa unabu Sunil na Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank ase Manipur gi mapam kya da tongan ba branch sing hangduna mioi kya da kana piduna lakpa galena kumjal sing ani taramanga da grade A gi thak ta lairam lab bank mane sahi adumak da bank ase gi employee amade board members sing gi marakta yana da khara lakpadagi bank ase ngasidi laikha taraktuna grade D da hantare bank asigi phifam soluk dibasi bank asigi anu board member khalam daida employee kharana court case kya mathang thangat pasinane hause bank asida salai riba mawong asida makhatana adumak chathab tarabadi bank ase Manipur da mutkiba yana laire fongdoraki Thasi Kunmangada Manipur High Court Chatagadur Bank as case hearing da Miam Ihul Kanga Achuma Wile to PBU Hadasu Sunil na court apung chingsilakli.
Staff in the port whenever being one of Hanaba, six and the beam of Manipur. Although in Palaban cooperative being Haba, Aluga, Manipur State Cooperative being a share, Moody and the lead being a man, CD, a when Mutan one name, and the Mapudi shareholder when the water board about the port level board like the other share, Landaba, guess of number, Nangay yen tonda, being seen none but the way no Jibam the Honda, being Shimun of name, my issue that the young can. I don't know, see Popam Shilla, the no question we put lock to be. Aduna Manipur lariba civil society ma'am NGO ma'am adi mass media ma'am je pulla kanda kari dog dog hana akoda set ki lariba bank sing se kamatong establish ohani sigi angka ma ko khot pam matam
Pamel Haragas Kangnaba Society for the Empowerment of Visually Impaired Manipugi Ahanba Foundation Day ngasi Uripoka Chomlekai Community Hole Pangtokre Tharamadu Sarugya Kiba Spastic Society Manipurgi Secretary Dr. Laishram Tokendra Elias Riki no Fondo Kibada Visually Impaired or about Sing Maruina differently able person sing say Hauziki Kunayasi Stokot Lamzel the Achobut Hodang Lobungam Nabahonaba Matam Oire Mamanga Matamda differently able person sing the young lamba Hantabami and Hauzikti Mami Samlakle Malem sustainable goal moina differently able person sing na kunaya sige productive member moina sangsilikli ba khongthang ase mai pak pa ngamna na ba miyam na su isai sai gi thaudang ni khanduna mating pang biu hana fongdorki
India da su maya mama changes maya mama lai akoi gi hak maya mama pire hana Rights of Person with Disabilities Act Equal Opportunities Protection of Rights and Full Participation akoi 1995 ta gale rambase Hojiki UNCRPDC lakpadagidi Rights of Person with Disabilities Act 2016 kaina laiba adagi hana leramba disability taret tagi disability makhan je kun mathoi ga laiba koi gi disabled sing je leaving no one behind and koi gi sustainable development goal ri yauri to koi disabled sing ji to productive member oi tab ya de makoi tungana sothana le hobo ya de haiba adu gumba ming yeng ama hoje koi gi India dasu last decade sida yam
Community Network for Empowerment Kongi District Supervisor Palumum Kennedy na February kunma thoi da masagi anaba madagi laikidabada kona chero lamad awaba fongdorakli mak laikidab matum da masagi chahi nifu sukrahari Varatiya Chhatra Sanchad ki tararak sub annual national conclave ta Naga People's Front NPF ki mute ode befungyar constituency ki MLA ki lesioda others yuva Vidayak Saman Mana Pidun Ikai Kumnaba Ulakre, New Delhi Vigan Vaban Thasi Kundagi Numit Marini Chumna Chathagatava, Conclapasi Ngarang Nini Chanmanumita Manasi Kusinar Kibane. Laivaga Siguena Mioi Ahum Mingwena Palabada, Maharashtra ki Safe Sena MLA Uday Saman, Punjab ki Aam Aadmi Party ki MLA Balzinder Kaur Amadi Manipur ki El Leishona Manasi Fangmangam Kibane. Leishona Manas Laurba Matunga si Infal Airport Tunglaki, Mang Airport Tunglabaga, Southern Tangkul Students Union, NPF Youth Wing, Lantung Sing Students Union, Amadi Fungyar Miamgi, Mute Sing Taram Oki. Infal Airport Pomi Sing Unabam, the MLA Leishona Miamgi, Mihuta Moena, Sakot Tarangi, Lam the Matoning Tinato Wamade, Parliamentary Democracy Matang the Naha Singbu, Yokanabagi Matanga, Manasi, Pirak Panihana, Fongdoraki.
Angonda khalak bisina karnorge young ideal youth MLA have politics sida youth sing na karam participate tawdra habsi sibu encourage tawba amadi thogat pi ba habsi moigi thabak ni asin moisi yam important oiba karno amani si award amani sigum ma si law na ba akot mayam hotnam si yam kana ne khal I'm very happy I yam nungai aseng magi aina khitang tawjar su mine recognize tawbi na suai na award pirak si yam nungai
Numit humni chumna chathakataba solo dance and music festival Health Minister L. Kumar Haldokre festival asi Eastern Zonal Cultural Center amadi government dance college na puna khusam na duna palace compound leba college si pang thoki banai ngase festival asigi anma numita Manipuri Nartanalaya da Kolkata gi Ivana Sarkar Hindustani vocal da Kolkata gi Susan Chatterjee amadi government dance college ki P Ronita na isai amadi jagoi sing lonan tal gi ithak hipom lakta haina mingthon ba college asigi mairo singna saktam lang fusion music amadi dance ki thaugal sing udki ngasigi thorma da art and culture commissioner M Joy amadi EZCC Kolkata gi director Gauri Vasu Susaruyaki Bishnupur district ki kwatha santhong makha lekaida fi sava fi taiva madi wagi puthok matangda tham chumna chathagada vocational training program ma haudokre training program adu relief center for the welfare of differently able persons Manipur na Masigi Bishnupur unit na Nehru Yuba Kendra NYK Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports Government of India Bishnupur district amadi Santhong Farmer Club ka khusam na dur chathabane ngasidagi hauriba vocational training program adu da training yankai romna sarugyari Skill Council of India ASCI ki makha da Krishi Vigyan Kendra Chandel na sinduna haukeba January 12 dagi Chandel district ke Monsang Pantha village da laiba KVK Chandel ge training hall da chatharakiba small poultry farmers singi skill training program ngasi lotion krai training program lotion bi thorma da district veterinary officer Chandel Dr. Adi Samari KVK Chandel ge senior scientist amadi head Dr. Deepak Singh, KVK Chandel gi ACTO Animal Science, Dr. SM Amita Yauna, Masak Naiba, Mio Kana Saruyaki, Numit Kunmanga ni chumna chathakiba training program to the Chandel Masung Technopole District Manung Channel Laiba, Modi Village, Chandel Christian Natham, Liwa Ching Sangning, Zafo Amadi, Machi Mio Kun Saruyaki, Loranangasi training, Lucian Benamita, training Singda, Yanao, Machinjakam Sung Hidak Langtak Singshu, Yentoki Hadi. Bishnupur district Moirang Thamna Pokpida Okinawa Autotech Private Limited Putopo electric scooter gi showroom ma hangdokre showroom ase Wang e service ki makada BR Motors na hangbane showroom hangbu ki thormo de Moirang gi SDO oriba CH Somorendrona BR Motors ki proprietor P Raju da showroom adu chalai yana na gi license khushina Thawal District Police na yung sungpam thugay ba galon na yu amadi yu sung da season ba polam kya fagat kray yu sungpam thugay ba driver du Thawal Police ki SP Dr. S Ibomcha ki miyang makada additional SP Law and Order L Sarman Luching Makangbu amana ukong sang mayay lekay du chathaki banay yu sungpam du da yung liter chanipan pumthar ba chiang kilogram lishing ama hamay kilogram ama ganja kilogram ani amsung kol likaya fagat pangam kyari yu sungpam yum maduda lairamba Ayush Jayanta Singh ko misak amasu fare hari Sanabik Pauda hausi chatar bitaram do isba I League season asi dasrag yarba Manipur ki team Trau FC ki home match amada hayang Kolkata ki maming lerbu team moirba East Bengal FC ga Kumalampak Main Stadium da numirang pung mga taba matam da lambatang nargani hayang sanagador match asigi mangoina nangasi team animaki coach ka Paumi Singa Kumalampak Main Stadium da unaba mada hayang ki match asigi da magi team da mai partner na bigda same sanari hana fongdo naraki East Bengal coach Mario Rivirana fongdo pada East Bengal ki home match oina mamang sana ki match Trau FC Upanjal ani amada mighty pi krabasu Trau FC apapati mam oiban maramoiraga hayang ki match asi section sanaga ni hana thamlaki lonana makata match sing my partner hodunan honaduna legacy ki point table da fazab mafam kanna ba honaga ni hana su thamlaki amoromda Trau FC ki coach L Nandakumana hayang ki match khakta na makata na sanaga da match sing Trau FC ki oina di yamna maruiba maramna my partner ba hona ba yaba honaga ni Trau FC ki achobu thodang lauduna lakliba team masigi midfielder sanaroi Falguni sokpadagi sanaba yawba ngamdana lakliba sina midfielder area da khara ahob lairi hayangi match sida Falguni yawba ngamdaba ki fibam da lairabasu mathangi match da ki yawba yana lay mak ki asokpa adu tamna fagalakli hebo fam thamlaki
We know that Trao is better in home matches, but now this season is Bengal is also better in away matches, and it's the same. All of the matches in our league are always tough, and tomorrow I know that Trao FC will be a difficult opponent for us. Home, away, whatever was the opponent, we have to try to win next match always. Team now is getting more balance, taking more control of the matches.
Yam kanna honnadaba yade haibagi wakhalonda players singsiga khoi yam cooperation laina yam hard work tawna kanna honajari akhoi level best ta kanna honajari akhoi leijariba player local plus akhoi da phangjariba foreign gi adagi Indian khrasna akhoi angamba thaktati akhoi gi leiba budget sigadi phangiba rating si phangiba points si isana khanjabada akhoi yam ngakna thoibani adubu laiba phabadagi akhoi team si hujimakti ti player singsi ikai kaiba makti natri aduna yam kanno hona jage leijari basna akhoi emphasis su khara hena attacking the p naba akhoi yam hard work tongno kan de hona jari
Tarawam do suba Manipur State League ta Movan Lai Athletics Club Sada Hills amadi Neroka FC sangafam ani mai pakrai khumjam joy kisan gi sentang makhada All Manipur Football Association sinduna kumalam park artificial turf ground chatarkliba football league asigi ngasi sanakiba kuntaret suba league ta Movan Lai Athletics Club Sada Hills na GSC Churachanpu Panjal ahum amada maitiba piki chatarkliba state league asigi ngasi sanakiba kunipan suba league ta na Neroka FC sangak famna DM Rao awang segmai Panjal taruk amada yamna lakchar maitiba piki chatriba Manipur gi khwadi chaw football league asida Manipur gi tongan mafam sing lakpa football team taramanga na saruk yari hayeng chatarkliba state league asigi kunmapan amadi kunthra suba league match sing laigani Nipan Suba KYM Veteran Football Tournament FC Imphal Madi Upsa Team 8 Lilong Chajing Ani Mai Pakre Tournament sing asi akampat leba 11 Star Sporting Union gi sanabung da sana kiba tournament asi tarani thoi suba league ta FC Imphal na Upsa Team B Lilong Chajing Panjal ahum sino da mighty pi bangam ki Zathrakliba Veteran Football Tournament sing asi sana kiba tarawum do suba league ta na Upsa Team A Lilong Chajing na KVFA Kakching Panjal ahum sino da mighty pi ki Tim Taramangana Group Home Tone Kaido Tuna Chathrakliba Veteran Football Tournament sige hayeng Taramari amadi Taramanga Suba League Match sing laigani Nipan Suba T20 Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament Oscar Pauna Kaithel amadi Model Club Chinga Makha ani Mai Pakre Manipur Veteran Cricket Association gi miyeng makha dengan silang tabal public ground sana kiba tournament sigi tarawum do Suba League ta tos ngam kiba DSU kwa Kaithel na betting hana tawdun over kunda wicket ahum turaga run chama kumthrawum do ilaw ngam ki madugi paukum do Oscar Pauna Kaithel na over taramapan ga ball amadi wicket taret turaga run chama kumthra mari ilaw dun match ase wicket ahum da Mai Pak ngam ki Match asigi man of the match na Oscar Pauna Kaithel gi all rounder go na tab ngam ki Sathrakliba tournament si nga sana ki taramari Suba League ta tos ngam ki banapsa khai phal na betting han tawduna oba taran nipan ga ball manga da wicket taramak turga ran chama sum taruk lo ngam ki madugi paukum the model club chinga ma khana oba taran nipan ga ball manga da wicket mari khak turga ran chama sum na mapan lo dur match si wicket tarukta mai pak ngam ki match si the wicket amaga loina ran kun ma thoi lo ngam ki model club chinga ma khagi all rounder Deminna man of the match tab ngam ki hayeng chathriba veteran cricket tournament sigi makhatab league match ani laigani Kuntaruk Suba National Thangta Championship Manipur Yumbu Oidun Chaliba Chahi Sigi Mars Kuntaruk Taki Kunmapan Pauba Pangtok Lagani Thangta Federation of India Gi Miyang Makada Huyan Langlon Thangta Association of Manipur Sinduna Kumal Lampak Sports Complex Indoor Stadium the Pangtok Kadaba Championship Sida India Gi Tongan Tongan Mafam Singh Lak Pasana Roy Chatre Yankai Yamadi Technical Official Yankai Henman Saruyadun Chatakadur Championship Sida Sub Junior Junior Ramadi Senior Gi Kanglup Singh that Laiba Nupa Masamadi Nupi Masa Singna Punaba Ama Punaba ani thang haiba amadi thanglon khonglon amasung khutlon gi masana sing asida akan ba ong lamba tauna duna makong mathang tan na ba thaurang tongnari Thoromasiga Mari Lena Nangasi, Major Kul Manipur Press Club the Pangtok Pamising Unaba, the championship Basimapung Fana, the Bahonabada, Lamdamas the Lady Batang Masana, Pamja Mio Singna, Wakalgi Selgi, the Pangal, Yobatona, Happy Ohana, World Tangta Federation President, H. Prem Kumar Fondorkli.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯇꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯀꯣꯔꯤꯌꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯇꯥꯏꯀꯨꯟꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗ ꯆꯥꯏꯅꯥꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯀꯨꯡꯐꯨ ꯎꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯝ ꯂꯝꯒꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯇꯔꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯣꯛꯄꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯡ ꯇꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯔꯦꯛ ꯃꯍꯥꯎ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟ ꯐꯖꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯩꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯂꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯗꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯜꯆꯔ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯣꯔꯠꯁ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯁꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯤꯑꯦꯁꯑꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅꯁꯨ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯜꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ
Matangashara bulletin say tension jadring among when headlines among Pijari. MHRD recommendation matung in the president na Professor A.P. Pali Manipur University Vice Chancellor get posted in Lautok Kongtango Manipur University community in Taram no Okray. Prime Minister Modi na luchung ba India lang na lewa kasi democracy, secularism and the constitution the chaw na sino mapili han wapam da yung pamora ka thabu mo manchung na chataga na CPI mass campaign hawdokray. Status is self to me people hek fagalak pa State Institute of Journalism yung mathaw kaba course ng mga staff sing hapchin to na university kita hakta pukat kani hay kithaza ba IPR Minister BSB so adun pangdora kini. Art and Culture Department yung makada Manipur State Archives na sindunan ni Purak Suba Archives Week Celebration Art and Culture Minister Elzen te kumaning as Falgi CM Hall hawdokray. Amasung Boston na low sa SLC nga nagpangtok kita examination tabi yabu mahirong nupi machama mahal na tariba Praza High School Center the exam duty exam do biyeng sin balakot mo sin nagkiyan mo lagi 100 na James Hospital like na kray.